Welcome back in this English learning session. Today we are to learn English grammar belonging to English main course book class 5 lesson 6 named the cherry tree second topic the present tense page number 47. Let us enjoy it. Present tense is used to describe actions that happen in the present time. It is of four parts, namely simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. And we are to learn it step by step. It is of five columns. First column involves the name of tense. Second column involves usage of that tense. And third column involves a structure or English identity of the tense. Fourth column involves Hindi identity of tense, and fifth column involves examples belonging to concerned tense. First, present simple or simple present you can say, used to show habits, routines, and general truths. Its a structure or English identity is subject plus first form of verb and s oblique es as per need plus object. हिंदी आइडेंटिटी ता है, ती है, ती ता है, ती है, ते हैं एट द एंड ऑफ हिंदी सेंटेंसेस. एग्जाम्पल, समृद्धि राइट्स ए लेटर. इन हिंदी इट मीन्स समृद्धि एक पत्र लिखती है. सेकेंड, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस. It is used for actions happening now, and it stresses on temporary actions. Its structure is subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus verb plus ing plus object. And in Hindi, Hindi identity रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं. एग्जाम्पल, हरि प्रिया इज राइटिंग ए लेटर. इन हिंदी इट मीन्स हरि प्रिया एक पत्र लिख रही है. थर्ड, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. uses for actions that happen in the past but have a connection to the present. Completed actions with unspecified time and experiences. Structure, subject plus have oblique has plus third form of verb plus object. हिंदी आइडेंटिटी चुका है, चुकी हैं, चुके हैं. एग्जाम्पल, दिव्यांशु हैज़ रिटन ए लेटर. इन हिंदी इट मीन्स दिव्यांशु ने एक पत्र लिख लिया है या दिव्यांशु एक पत्र लिख चुका है. Fourth, present perfect continuous tense. Uses, it shows the action that began in the past and is continuing in the present time. It is used to indicate the duration of an action that started in the past. हिंदी आइडेंटिटी ता रहा है, ती रही है, ते रहे हैं. एग्जाम्पल, Ishika has been reading a book since 1st of April 2025. Or Ishika has been reading a book for 4 months. In Hindi it means ईशिका दिनांक 1 अप्रैल 2025 से एक पुस्तक पढ़ती आ रही है. एंड या ईशिका 4 माह से एक पुस्तक पढ़ती आ रही है. Now learn it through question answer mode. Question answer mode third. Question A, fill in the blanks with the correct present tense to complete the sentence. First, we dash not understand this concept yet. Answer will be, we have not understood this concept yet. Second, I dash go to the store every week. It will be I go to the store every week. Third, we dash wait for the bus. It will be we wait for the bus or we are waiting for the bus. Fourth, can you help me? I dash carry these groceries. Answer, can you help me? I cannot carry these groceries alone. Fifth, Lisa dash love to read books. Answer, Lisa loves to read books. Sixth, he dash usually eat breakfast at 7 a.m. Answer, he usually eats breakfast at 7 a.m. Seventh, she dash work on a project right now. Answer, she has worked on a project right now. Eighth, the train dash leave every hour. Answer, the train leaves every hour. Ninth, they dash already finish their homework. Answer, they have already finished their homework. 10th, they dash live in that house for 10 years. Answer, they have been living in that house for 10 years. Question B, identify and write the tense used in these sentences. First, I am reading a book. Answer, present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Second, she lives in New York. Answer, present indifferent tense or simple present tense. Third, they are playing basketball. Answer, present continuous tense. Fourth, we eat breakfast every morning. Answer, simple present tense or present indifferent tense. Fifth, it is snowing outside. Answer, present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Sixth, the sun rises in the east. Answer, present indifferent tense or simple present tense. Seventh, I am waiting for the bus. Answer, present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Eighth, she speaks three languages. Answer, simple present tense or present indefinite tense. Ninth, they are watching a movie. Answer, present continuous tense or present progressive tense. Tenth, the birds sing sweetly. Answer, simple present tense or present indefinite tense. In this way, you have to complete your homework thoroughly. Hope it will help you a lot in completing your prescribed homework. Thanks for watching. See you next class with new solution.